Welcome to Learn to Crochet with Daisy. In today's lesson, we will learn how to make the DC increase and decrease. The commonly used abbreviation for increase is INC and decrease is DEC. And these are the symbols. There are two DCs which are joined at the bottom for an increase and at the top for decrease. Let's get started with the increase first. Like we saw with the single crochet and HDC, an increase is making multiple stitches in the same place. I have here with me 9 DCs. Usually, we would skip this stitch because the turning chain replaces the first stitch. Since we are increasing now, we will make a DC here. So this is 1 and this is 2. We have made our very first increase. Let's make another increase. So make 1 and 2 stitches in the same place. The increase is quite simple. You may pause the video now and practice this a couple of times before going on to the decrease. Now the decrease is making one stitch out of multiple stitches. I will be working the decrease over these 2 stitches. So yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over, draw through 2. Do not complete the DC. Yarn over, insert hook into next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over, draw through 2. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3. This is how we make a DC decrease. Let me repeat that. Yarn over, insert hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, draw through 2, yarn over, insert hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, draw through 2. Now yarn over and draw through all 3. So this is how we make the DC decrease. Keep practicing this stitch and I will meet you in the next lesson where we will learn how to make front post stitches. Happy hooking!